Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this mermaid inspired look. That's not what it is. I just feel like these colors are totally mermaid vibes, and I love the way that this look turned out. I'm using the Natasha Denona Tropic palette. If you have this, or if you were thinking about getting this, I want to let you know that it's still available on Sephora's website and it's on sale. This palette is amazing, and I didn't get it early on because there were a lot of negative reviews about this bottom row here. And for the price, I just wasn't willing to pay for 2 rows. So I can now tell you with honesty that these shadows perform beautifully. They're Natasha Denona quality. You won't be disappointed, and I love it. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, let's go. Alright guys, so today I have on the Estee Lauder Perfectionist Foundation in 3W2, and I used the new Makeup Forever concealer in the shade 31. I'm gonna do a whole other video on this concealer. I just wanted to try it out. I just got it and I'm really excited for it, but I don't really have an opinion yet. To prime my eyes, I used my Hourglass primer, and today we're playing with color. I am going to be using the Natasha Denona Tropic palette. I was playing with this yesterday and I just felt inspired. I'm going to take some Sephora tape. I'm just cutting it up, and I wanted to do a fun color tutorial for you guys, and I'm kind of feeling blue. I'm gonna ask you guys now to excuse me because my son may wake up. He's in and out of sleep. He has a really high fever today, and we're working through it. You know, they're saying not to take him into the doctor or the hospital yet, and just to kind of monitor the fever. But you know, it's tough when they're sick. So I'm gonna go in with Sahara, which is this shade here. This is a top row, and I'm going to use that just to dust all over my lids. I kind of like to hold the tape down a little bit just to make sure that I don't get any choppiness and that it's smooth. Now I'm going to take this tapered blending brush. This is by Bodyography. It is just a flat blending brush, and you guys will see why I picked this. I'm going to take the color Laguna, which is this shade here. Today we're playing with the bottom row, and this palette is still available at Sephora. It's on sale. I'm using the tip of the brush and one side of the brush to really press this blue in, which you'll see it really does feel like a little bit of a waste because you don't really end up seeing this color. My bad. So like I was saying, this palette is still available at Sephora and it's on sale. I want to say it's like $62 or something like that. So if you're interested, when this palette came out, I remember not really wanting to get it because I'm like, I'm not gonna play with those colors. And I mean, I think I knew I liked the bottom row a lot, but I just felt like, you know, I could live without it. And then I started playing with color and I got excited by it. So I got it. I'm actually gonna change up how I created this look. So I'm gonna take this pencil brush by Rephr, and I'm going in with Tiger Lily, which is this beautiful blue here. That's my cousin's daughter's middle name, Tiger Lily. And I'm just going to use this to mark the outer V. Crap, I forgot to put powder down because this definitely creases. No, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just do what I did yesterday. So I'm gonna take that same flat brush and I'm gonna go in with Tiger Lily. This color is stunning. This is one of the reasons why I got this palette, to be honest with you guys, because this blue is like, it reminds me of the liner I'm gonna use today, which is Santos by Mount Cosmetics. that's what that blue looks like. It's a beautiful royal blue with shimmer. So I'm just going to press this. And this is one of those wet powder formulas. Like, you can feel the difference in the texture. Look at how stunning that blue is. Stunning. And all I'm doing is just pressing and then bringing that blue, feeding it right over the teal. So you're getting this nice gradient effect. I'm gonna take this Refer 02 brush. It's just a flat brush. And I am going to take Mint Frost, which is this shade here, another stunning color. And I'm going to start bringing this in from the inner corner and then towards the center of the eye. Again, you want to make sure that your colors are blending and that they don't look choppy or harsh. I'm going to take Exotic, which is this color here, with the same brush, and I'm going to apply this color in the middle. And then again, making sure that Mint Frost blends, and then going back in with the original brush and just making sure that these colors are blending and not looking choppy. Get this really soft winged out effect. I'm going to go in with the original blending brush and just make sure that these edges are nice and blended. I'm taking Melt Cosmetics Santos liner, and all I'm going to do with this is just line the lower lash line, and I'm just lining the center of the eye towards the outer. I don't want this blue to tap into the teal or the green. So I'm being very strategic about my placement. Just like that. Just like that, just very lightly. All right guys, so I wanted to show you quickly what the eye is looking like. So I wanted to give you a little bit more information on the liner. So I basically ended the liner there, and then I extended a wing up that way, and then I took the brush that we used to blend, and then I blended that liner inward because I liked, oops, the way that this little blend peeked out. So I'm going to try and achieve that on the other eye, but I really like the way that this is looking. That was it. All right guys, so I am loving these eyes, loving. All right, so I'm not gonna do anything on the lower lash line because I feel like the mascara alone is enough. So now I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, and this is in tan, and I'm just going to add some color to my face. I love this eye. I love just the colors. For my blush, I'm going to be using Grand by MAC. I haven't pulled these guys out in a while because Patrick Ta has been rocking my world. I was thinking about these the other day. I'm like, man, I do love these blushes. It's just, again, Patrick Ta came out with his release and I really love those too, but these are fantastic. So I wanted to give them some love. For my lips, I'm going to be using the She's Single lip pencil and the She's Secure lip cream. All right, guys, change of plan. I did She's Bold lip pencil and She's Confident lip cream. I absolutely love this lip with this look. I think it just balances everything out. So finally, here is your final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. This was really fun. It's pretty. It gives me mermaid vibes. And I love the color combination. And it was just another way to play with a Natasha Denona palette. Now, I will tell you guys that there are a few reviews which kind of influenced why I didn't buy this in the first place, where people were knocking the bottom row and they were saying that it wasn't good quality and that they were patchy and streaky, and I didn't have any issues with any of the colors. I think they're beautiful, bold, and pigmented, and I didn't have any issue with any of them. However, I did not play with Zena, which is this beautiful lilac color. We will. One day we will. Overall, I have to say that I really love this palette. I think it's beautiful, fun. It is, ooh. It is stunning and on sale. So if you're curious about her, palettes, or if you're interested in getting any of her palettes, if you really look at this, these are the only shades that are bold. These other rows are definitely neutral, girl friendly, and they are stunning. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I do upload 3 videos a week and I want you to catch all of them. Also, make sure to like this video. It helps my channel and it's a way for you to support it, and I appreciate you guys liking it. And leave a comment down below letting me know, what do you want to see on my channel? Do you guys have any recommendations? Do you have any questions? Let me know. Lastly, I do want to say one final thing. I have come to find that a lot of you guys were commenting on videos. I'm talking about like months back, 5 months back. And I'm sure that some of you have noticed that I'm now responding to your comments. I want to apologize firsthand. I don't know what happened, but YouTube hasn't been sending me notifications letting me know that you guys are commenting, and I haven't seen any of it. So if you're getting a late response, I'm sorry. I hope that my response is useful now. Thank you all so much for your love and support. It means a ton to me, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.